Alright, welcome to the video of Signal Sniper, how it works, and how it crushes prop firms. Before we get into Signal Sniper, let's just take a look at the prop firms that people have passed using the software right here. So here's the one that I've won, Chris. Another one Chris has won from Take Profit Trader. There's me, I won from Take Profit Trader. David D from Take Profit Trader. There's one from Chris, Take Profit Trader. There's another one from me. Another one from me. Another one from David. These are Apex. David D, Chris again, Eddie Ortega, Matt, Indy McKee. There's one from me, Heather, Coach Noah, David D again, Hulk. There's one from me. And we just keep crushing it. I mean, there is proof enough right there in the pudding that we are passing prop firms. And here's some cash payouts also. Here's one recently for $2,000. We have a copier. Here's some of those payouts from the copier we do for Forex. That's hands-free. So yes, we are winning here. And this is Signal Sniper. And this is how we are doing it. Once we're connected with like Apex or any prop firm that will connect with TradingView. This is how you make money trading without using any money of your own. These prop firms, like we use Apex, you can get a $50,000 funded account challenge for $19 using code SNIPER1, all capital letters. And you can get that challenge. If you pass that challenge, you get a real life funded $50,000 account where you can withdraw from every single week. Not only that, you can have up to 20 accounts copying from one account. So that means you can have 20 accounts. You can come in here and only trade one account, and it copies to every single one. So if you made $200 a day in one account and it copied to 20, come on, $4,000 a day. All right, so let's get into Signal Sniper right here. Once you purchase Signal Sniper, you will get a email from Gumroad. It'll have all your files right there, or you can go into your Gumroad.com back office into the library, and your files will be right there to set Signal Sniper up. It's just one click, and you'll come to this screen right here. Alright, what we want to do is, before we get into any challenge, we want to practice with Signal Sniper. We're going to come up here to either buy or sell. Click one of those. The screen's going to pop up. Click paper trading. And if it says connect. We're connected to the paper trading account right now. If you don't have a box right here where you can buy and sell, just click trade. It'll pop up right here. We want to go ahead and set our unit size, which is our contract size. Since you are a beginner, you want to set it to 5. I'm a professional at this. I have used this for a long time now. I've passed over 12 prop firms on live on my Facebook. All the results are there. So I use up to 20. Our take profit, you're going to be anywhere from 12 ticks to 20 ticks. Smaller the ticks, the smaller the profit. More ticks, more profit. So I just got it set at 15 for right now, just for example purposes. But anywhere from 12 to 20 would be good. And right here, once you put in your take profit, how many ticks you're going for, and what your contract size, it's going to tell you what your risk and reward are. So $37.50 is going to be what we're looking for per trade right now. that and a little bit more. If you want more, if you think that's small, go up to 6. That's $45. If that's too small, go to 7. That's $52 per trade. But once you gain the experience, then you can go up in your contract size. We're going to go into the settings right now. Make sure all our settings are okay. So you're going to come up to this bar right here. You're going to make sure these two are checked. Enable buy and sell signal. Enable buy and sell price. Enable chop filter. Enable MA filter. Enable profit target lines. We're going to come back to this shortly. Enable profit wave. Enable candle color matching. Enable support and resistance lines. Enable real close price dots. Disable Heikin-Ashi warning. And that should be it for Signal Sniper right here. We've already set up this. So now to get into a trade right here, you'll have trade rules that come along with this. So how to enter a trade, we're going to wait for a buy or sell signal. Once we get that buy or sell signal, we're going to allow that current candle to close that gave us that buy or sell signal. This confirms that the signal is good. Then we're going to get in to that trade on the next candle. How to exit the trade is you're going to see something I'm going to show you. It's called the profit wave. And each candle has a white dot. We're going to exit immediately if the white dot appears to stay on the opposite side of the wave. This indicates the potential for a reversal. I'm going to show you that right now. So you're waiting for a buy or sell signal. You're only going to get a buy signal if you're over this white line. This white line is the 200 EMA. You're only going to get buy signals. If you're above it, you're only going to get sell signals. Look, we just got a buy signal there. We're waiting for that to close in 10 seconds here. And as long as that signal is still there, we're going to get in. It's there, we're going to get in. Bam. We just won that quick. That quick, we just won that trade. Look at there. That's how quick these trades go. Quick, 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 quick. All right, that was a prime example while I was going over this with you. So we got the signal. Here's a trade before the one we just took. Got a signal right there. On the next candle, as long as that signal is still there, we're going to take it for the win. We got the signal right here. The next candle, the signal was still there. We took it for the win. We got a sell signal on this candle right here. This candle, the sell signal was still there. We took it for the win. Same as here. We got the sell signal. The next candle, the sell signal is still there. We took it for the win. All right, let me show you how to exit the position. So you remember me saying that each candle has white dots? So say we got into this trade. It gave us a sell signal. We got in. It did tap the win. It did win. But let's just say it didn't win and it reversed on us. We're looking for this white dot to close on the other side of the wave. It closed right there on the other side of the wave, so we would have got out right there. So that's how simple this is. Look at all the winners. This is how I crush it. And this is what's going to make it for you, is these ticks right here, your profit. Mess with it. If I go for, you want to go between 12 and 20 ticks. And I'm kind of telling you, less is better. This is what I'm finding out. 12, 13, 14 ticks. I mean, I'm hardly even seeing a loser going less ticks. But for in this video, I'm going 15. But, you know, mess with it. So, say if I went for with 15 contracts, that's $112 per trade. And you only need to do 1, 2, no more than 3 trades a day. Simple. These 3 trades could have been your trades right here and been done for the day. And that's how simple Signal Sniper is, folks. That's how simple it is. I'm glad that trade popped up right there. That way you can see it live and in action. The green lines and red lines here, those are support and resistance levels. So normally, if you're up and if you get a signal going into resistance levels, you don't want to take those because price tends to reverse once it hits those levels there or support. And that's basically it, folks. It's basically it for Signal Sniper. How simple and easy this tool is, and it crushes prop firms. If you want to get this, signalsniperpro.com.